Anyone, any plans are there for helping the COVID patients here? Now I'll speak to Ramya first because there's so many
Yes, sir.
are dying in the streets or collapsing, even with COVID, and even the COVID report is negative because of fear or worry or anxiety. And we, because as our individual social responsibility, we should connect with the people. Future, we don't know whether they will, they are in a position to help us. To connect with the people, our fellow citizens are dying. At least we should think from us, are we socially responsible? Not going out and helping them. Okay, advising them or decreasing the level of anxiety, of worriness or nervousness, or you can buy the groceries for them. They'll pay the money. With that money, you can buy the groceries for them, or showing the doctors through online, or providing food for them for the poor people. Maybe you don't have the money, but through some other sources, or you can take care of the children affected by COVID diseases. In so many ways, you can help them. So I will speak to Ramya. Have you helped in the
Yes, sir.
are going to help? What we are going to help the future? We can have speak a few words about it.
Sir, we live in a joint family. So my aunt got tested positive. Then she actually takes care of my cousin sister's kids.
Okay.
So as soon as she got tested positive, I took care of those kids and helped her with anything she wanted, or told her that I'm always here for her, and did the same with my other aunt and my mom also. Sir.
Okay.
Always kept checking on them, checking their pulse, saturation, and everything like that, sir.
And about the neighbors, neighbors are there, you want to help in the future, but you have to stay safe.
Yes, sir. If anybody comes up to me or has any need, be it psychologically or needs some emotional support, I sure help them, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, next, Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, can you speak on few words? Have you helped in the past? In what way you helped in the past for your relatives or neighbors or your friends without going out, staying safe? Yeah, Vaishnavi.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Good evening. I am Vaishnavi, and I'm a student of MLR Institute of Technology.
MLR. Okay, right.
Yes, sir. I am here with the reference of one of the student here, Shivani, and I am the member of STM, like Service to Mankind. It was set up a goal to help orphans.
Okay.
We met their needs like groceries, rice, sacks, and oil packets. We collected funds and helped them. And in the present scenario of due to the provision of COVID-19, we are here helping COVID patients to meet their needs like beds and oxygen cylinders and plasma blood, etc. Sir.
Okay, very good, very good. Any help you want to make in the future, or any planning to help other than those people or your neighbors?
Yes, sir. And from our side, we have a website with from where the donors allows each and every needy person to post the requirements, sir. And meanwhile, we collect the details of donors, and as soon as we match the details, we we donate plasma or oxygen beds. And at present, we help moreover 30 in need, sir. And this is how we are contributing, and we also coordinated with the rest of the NGOs to gather details of donors.
Okay, very good, Amma. Very good. Very nice of you. Prashant.
Yeah. Hi, Vinod Kumar Garu. Thank you. Thanks for giving this opportunity. Myself, Prashant. I am from the Devarakonda Foundation, and I'm a part of this COVID Surge Impact Alliance. So Surge Impact Foundation is a Section 8 company, and it has ATG. So in the last pandemic, we have helped around 15 crores of worth funds, and we have distributed groceries to the poor daily wage workers and migrant laborers, and we have arranged the transport for the migrants who are traveling from Hyderabad to their native places like UP, Bihar. So this was the last year lockdown time. So in this second wave, we have collaborated with the different organizations. We have combined an alliance. We are calling it as COVID Surge Impact Alliance.
Okay.
Here we are helping the uh, people who are affected with the COVID in the second wave. Like so, the caretaker so if the patient is in the hospital, the caretaker is looking for plasma
Okay.
and remdesivir, tocilizumab, oxygen, or beds. Whatever they're looking, so when they are searching for the medicine in the open space, so every one of us are sending them the PDFs, Excel sheets, Google spreadsheets, and we are dumping all the information on the caretaker.
Okay.
The caretaker is already in the panic mode. So when we are giving all this, half of his strength is gone. So what we are doing is we are taking the responsibility of caretaker, that finding a resource for him and giving the gunshot person, where they can go and directly talk to him or get paid him. They'll get the whatever the service they require. So we are doing this completely by sitting at home. The complete thing is going on in the virtually. So we have around 300 plus volunteers now, and we were able to close around 1,000 plus cases in the last 25 days.
Okay, sir. Can you have the evidence, any picture or pic of this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you give me the screen sharing option? I will show you how the
Can you send
process
a
flow will
WhatsApp
work.
ID to Ramya? Can you send WhatsApp mail ID to Ramya?
I'm adding either in the chat
No,
box.
you can take my number. Take my number.
No, I'm adding here in the chat. I'm adding here in the chat box. 1 second.
Okay. No. Okay. Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have the pic of this, whatever you help? No, nothing so that much. No? Any?
Yes, sir. I have, sir. Shall I share the drive link, sir?
Yeah, you can share it, sir. Or you can you send to the Ramya if possible? Can you send this pic to Ramya?
I'll give my number in the chat box. One.
Okay. So nice of you. I'm very grateful to you. You attended my session. I'm doing a project on COVID patients, helping COVID patients, the social responsibility.
Sir,
Yeah.
Raghu is left, sir. Raghu.
Achha, okay. He's leaving, huh?
Yes, sir. He's speaking.
One thing.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Good evening.
My name is Raghu Sai from St. Mary's College.
From
So last
batch, section.
BSc Statistics, sir, final year.
Yes, you know me.
Yes, sir, I know.
Okay. Anyone are your friends who are helping to other people, COVID patients here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have a team.
Can I conduct a meeting tomorrow morning if possible?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Or,
they're not.
Today after
They're a bit sick, sir.
Today after 3 hours, can I conduct a meeting with your team? After
Today, sir.
Today after 3 hours, 8:30.
Okay, sir. Once I'll ask them and I'll let you know.
Okay, you take my number 9949521621.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay. Raghu sir, please repeat it. Whatever you've done and whatever the activities your team is doing.
Sir, last year we have helped many people in the slum area, sir.
Okay.
So there are few daily wages workers.
Okay.
Due to this pandemic situation, they are not able to have few groceries, and there are no sanitary facilities for women and all. So we have distributed grocery items and sanitary napkins around 200 families, sir.
Okay.
So in these days, I have helped only 2 families, sir, by providing remdesivir injections to them.
Oh,
they have lost family.
Okay.
They have lost their family members in these recent days.
Okay.
So I have helped this in this way, sir, and we can also provide few counseling sessions who are getting panic in this pandemic situation.
Okay.
So by sitting in the home itself, we can we can take people as a volunteer and make them do a few activities which people are interested.
Very nice of you. So nice of you. So nice of you. So
Thank you, sir.
Vaishnavi, can you send your pic to Ramya, your friend?
Yes, sir. I'll send it.
Very nice. And Prashant, I have received your
Yes, sir.
yeah.
Yes.
Prashant, and I'm requesting all the members, Raghu Sai, Prashant,
Excuse me,
and-
sir.
yeah,
Sir, I don't have pictures of distribution when I'm giving remdesivir injections,
no
sir.
problem, no problem, no problem, no, nothing.
Because the family don't want to take the pictures. Sir.
No
That's
problem, no
why.
problem, no, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. You
I
can-
have pictures last year, sir.
or you can send the pictures in my mobile number, 99. You know the number. Yeah,
Yes, sir. I have your contact
yeah.
number.
And Prashant, are you there?
Yes.
Prashant,
Yes. Yes.
can you write whatever activities you are doing along with your team in a one page? Can you send this to my mobile number in by 9 o'clock today? Is it possible?
So there is one more orientation session for the new volunteers. So coming from HICIA and other corporate companies, so it will go around 1.5 hours. I will try to send it by
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah.
And Vaishnavi, can you
if you
send
can-
one page Word document or whatever you are done, whatever doing, your good work, Vaishnavi?
Yes, sir.
Can
Yes, sir. I'll make it.
you,
And to whom should I send it, sir?
to Ramya? Ramya, she'll forward to me.
Okay.
Okay. And Raghu
Okay,
Sai, Raghu Sai,
Sir.
when we meet tomorrow, the team members, can we meet today? No, not possible. Tomorrow we'll meet it.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Tomorrow, today is it, which is more convenient.
Tomorrow, sir. Tomorrow, sir.
Tomorrow,
I'll-
this same time, 5:30.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
5:30. I'll let you know by tomorrow morning, sir. Is it okay?
Okay. Please message your WhatsApp number. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Prashant, thanks a lot. Raghu Sai, thanks a lot. Ramya, thanks
Thank
a
you,
lot.
sir.
I'm very grateful to you. I want to take your activities to such organization. There's a Mahatma Gandhi Rural Education Development College, where they're conducting their doing FDP programs through faculty, and through faculty they are asking us to make the students within staying safe to do all this. That is individual responsibility to the society. Okay, because people are dying, collapsing, very disaster during this pandemic, and we need to help them. I'm helping also to the old people. They are having enough money, but they don't want to go out. They are suffered with COVID-19 virus. I'm bringing groceries to them. Twice say that. Okay, no, don't go outside. Please stay safe.
Yeah.
And please send information to Ramya. If you have my number, you can send your pic or you can write in one page. Vaishnavi, can you write one page today before 9 p.m.? One page you are done, whatever you're done.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Prashant,
Yes, sir.
I think Prashant also will.
Yes, I can do.
Okay.
So on the lighter note, today we have oriented for 100 students who are coming from TASK, Telangana Academy for Skill and Knowledge. So we have oriented them, out of which 30 students showed interest to volunteer with us on a daily basis for 3 to 4 hours for the next 2 months. They are sitting at
So
home.
you're volunteer for whom? Volunteer for
Surge Impact COVID Alliance.
that you.
CSI. Yeah.
Take a note of this also in your writing, one page.
So
briefly about it.
I'm representing the CSIA now. So we are effectively bringing the volunteers, orienting them. The interested volunteers are putting on the work, and so we are verifying the resources when we are and giving them to the case handling teams, and they are working with the caretakers, and they are closing the cases. So it's a structured program. If you can see the flow chart which I have sent you, and the alliance number, so which they can send their request to us, so that our team will sit in and work on that.
Are you student or a volunteer? Prashant, are you student?
I am an employee. I work for the Devarakonda Foundation.
Nice.
Yeah.
Can I have your
So we are
number?
working.
Can you-
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
I am leaving my number here.
And Raghu Sai, your number, your phone number. Yeah. Raghu Sai,
8179.
can you post in the chat box?
Sure, sir.
Sorry to trouble everyone. 796677. Yeah. Vaishnavi,
Yes, sir.
can I have your number?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can write in the chat box. Thank you, all of you. Thank you very much. I need to have one page of details, what you've done, what you're going to do, about briefing yourself. And thanks a lot, Prashant. Thanks a lot, Raghu Sai. Thanks a lot, Vaishnavi. Thanks a lot, Ramya.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.